Anthony, let Haley try.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, you let Tom hold. He's probably stronger than
Yeah,
me.
hold. Just it's already going. Just
And I watch Haley.
make your finger not go.
Wait a minute, Anthony. He's like, he's poking it.
Go, Anthony, get it.
All right, like do it like a baseball bat.
I see one open when I did
Good. Nice.
Let's just a try before
Hit
you.
it as hard as you could.
Haley.
Yeah.
There you
you
go.
go.
Now let Haley give it a whack. Anthony.
I don't think
Blow it
she'll
on
be
the
able to do
ground.
Yeah.
it. Harder than that.
Go.
Jump this.
I got you. Look at brother.
Come
Wanna
on,
try?
Anthony.
Yeah, let Haley try, even though he can't knock it. Watch her knock it. That would
Anthony.
be funny, wouldn't it? Anthony,
Let her try.
let Haley try.
I don't think she know how.
Well, I'll show her. Here, hold this, honey. Ready? Ready?
All right.
No, you making her.
Yeah!
Beat it.
Beat it! Beat it! Beat it! Beat it!
You're making her.
I know. Well, she don't know how, honey.
Anthony. Go ahead. We'll be here for a half hour.
Anthony, what the?
Little Wally needs to be here.
Come on.
Look
Swing
at
like a
doggy
bat.
go.
Like a base.
She's
two
more
hands.
into what Toby's doing. No.
What are you doing, Haley?
You do better than hard.
I can't do it hard.
Harder than that. Just hold on to it.
You're hurting me when I do it hard.
Did you fall down?
Uh-oh.
What is wrong with you, man?
I gotta just throw
Yeah,
down.
let Grandma try to hit it. Where's that hole? This thing is hard. Oh, I started one. Go ahead, get it.
Go, go, go.
Stab it through.
Let's stab it through. Where's this hole?
Or just pry it open or something? You got it?
Haley.
For the thing. They didn't have no Easter eggs. What's wrong with these people? They have Dora. I'm like, I want Dora.
I like how your yard is fenced in.
Me too. It's all fenced in. She's just following the dog.
Did I rip it?
Doggy gotta go potty.
Hit it hard.
Doggy gotta go potty.
Get that hole right there, Anthony. Get that hole and whack it.
I'm gonna.
You're just hanging on it.
Come on.
Are you getting tired? Not you.
No.
He likes it because she can run around.
Hey,
Don't
just
have to worry
swing
about
it as
Yeah.
hard as you could.
I can't.
Harder than
I
that.
can't.
It's too hard for you, man.
Go for daddy. Don't hit low. There you go.
Go,
Hit
go.
low. There you go.
Oh.
Not that low.
It's hit me in the butt.
Oh.
Yes.
Stab it, Anthony.
Stab it. There you go. Stab it instead of hitting it. It works.
Butterfly.
That's an intense pinata.
Freaking heavy.
Hi, pretty.
Oh, man.
What?
Hey, you still recording?
Yeah, I don't know how to stop it.
Just hit the where you want to take a picture.
I don't know. The long one?
Yeah.